Something's going on.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out with my son Kevin and my buddy Keith up here. We're going for a ride. We're actually at Tombstone, Arizona right now. And just taking some different roads off here that goes through some trails or some back roads. Keith up there, he knows where some is, I think. We shall see. He said at mile marker 9, this is 15, so it's quite a ways. 6 miles is where he's going. It will be one we ain't been on, I'm pretty sure. Okay, now we are back on some dirt. State trust land.
Bunch of trash and stuff out there. Looked like somebody lit off some 4th of July fireworks over there.
Oh yeah. There's all kinds of little trails over here, ain't there?
Oh yeah. That was rocky.
Yeah. A little bit of dust, but not too dusty.
Yeah, it's not really too bad for how sandy and dusty it is out here.
Guess just because we got the rain we did.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Ooh, that's really sandy.
I'm just back here taking it easy because of my gallbladder pain.
Yeah, I know. That's why I just keep trying to check to make sure you're within distance.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not doing too bad, but as long as I don't get going too fast and rough through this stuff, that's when it'll start hurting. Keith may have forgot about it.
Whew. Oh, okay. Yeah, we might have to slow down just a tad.
Well, you guys go on. I'll catch up with you.
Oh, you good?
Yeah, I can still catch up with you if you get ahead. No big deal.
All right, let's go.
I'm not used to having anybody wait up for me.
Do what?
I said, I'm not used to having anybody wait up for me.
Yep. He said I'm fine with it. I've had 50 years of it.
Who did? Me? Me, you're
What?
talking about?
Oh, I said that you were that, like you would pretty much be saying that, like telling me, like you're good. I've had 50 years of it.
Yeah, exactly. That is true, too. I don't have to go fast to have fun. I've done that all my life. Oh, yeah, I hope they pull that gallbladder out. Get rid of that sucker.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. That stuff sounds like it sucks.
Yeah.
Ooh, those are some rock ledges right there.
Hey, yeah,
Do what?
I said, yeah, I'd say.
Yeah, I am. We're slowed down right now. We're going like, whoa, now we're stopped. Man, this is a fun trail through here. These trails like this are the ones I like, where you can just go that steady pace and just blitz them. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is one I've been to or not. It looks almost like a one I've been to. Have I been to this one, Dad?
Yeah, so I said, if you've been here, you've been by yourself, because we've never been out here.
Oh, okay.
No, we've never been out in this area. I was like, when you said that, I was like, well, if you did, you went by yourself.
Yeah, this is definitely our first time out here. My dad just said that we ain't been out here before.
Yeah, I've never been out in here. I've seen trails going off everywhere back in there, too.
It is a
Pretty
fun one.
cool. Pretty cool riding out here.
Oh, hold on. We were stopped, so I had you turned down. What'd you say?
I said, pretty cool riding out in here.
Yeah, it is. Pretty fun.
We gotta watch the rocks out here.
Yeah, I know, that's for sure.
They're kind of sketchy.
Yeah, the suckers are everywhere too. Yep, there's another one that splits off. Looks like it probably goes toward those hills or something.
Oh, yeah. So, I mean, they're all over. We just passed one on the right back there. Went back that way.
Some of them might be going too fast to see them.
Yeah, it was on the right. It went back the other way.
And these trails like this are fun. These are like the most fun trails that there are because they're not too hard. They're not like too simple, and like you can go like a decent speed or a slow speed on them.
Right. Choose your pace. I'm going a decently slow speed.
Do what?
I said I'm going a decently slow speed.
I guess I am too compared to the pros.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't flying 50 down these roads or 70. Man, it's crazy what them dudes do. I've been going through and like rewatching the moto movies since they're all free to watch on YouTube.
Yeah.
And man, it's freaking nuts. A little bit rough. Okay.
Okay, guys, we're going to get off here. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Right on.